In this video, we're going to find the slope from a table. No graphing paper. Of course, I could graph it and find the slope, but that would take a lot longer. Using your formula, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 and templates, let's do that. It doesn't matter which two ordered pairs you choose. You could choose the first two. You could go back and look and find the ones that look the easiest. So let's just say I choose the first two. Numbers will be a little bit bigger on this, but that's okay. Remember, these are x's and these are y's. So the y's would be 14 minus 20. And the x's are 7 minus 4. Now, it's very important that if I went this one minus this one on the top, then I have to go in the same order, 7 over 4 on the bottom. So let's add the opposite, and I get a negative 6 because you have to subtract when the signs are different and keep the sign of the number with the largest absolute value, and 20 is negative, so it's going to be a negative 6. And 7 minus 4 is 3. And negative 6 divided by 3 is a negative 2. Or negative 2 over 1, but we're just going to say negative 2. So we got the slope on that one. Now on this one, I want you to pay attention before we pick out the two that we want to use. We've got the same y here, 2, 2, 2. We got all the y's are 2. And when that happens, there's no change in the y. You've got a slope of 0. And let me show you why that would be. If you pick out any two, let's just say that this time I pick out the top one and the bottom one. I want you to see that it doesn't matter if they're beside each other or not. All right, 2 minus 2 on top and on bottom, and the minus is from the formula. Remember, I used the template. And on the bottom, 5 minus negative 1. Okay, 2 minus 2 is 0. And 5 minus negative 1, if I add the opposite, I'm going to get 6. And it's okay to have a 0 in the numerator, just can't have it in the denominator. We have the 0 slope. All right. On this one, notice that all my x's are the same. They're all negative 3's. So pick out any two that you wish. Maybe this one and maybe this one. All right. The y's are on top, so 6 and 0 on top. The x's are on bottom, negative 3 and negative 3. Okay, 6 minus 0 is 6. When I add the opposite here, I get negative 3 plus 3, which is 0. And we are not allowed to divide. You cannot do this. So on this one, we say undefined slope.